guys, what are you doing this summer? Because if you want an exciting summer, you should come down to New York and intern for the SFT HQ.
Hey guys, my name is Tenzin Lama and I was one of the 2 interns for the nonprofit organization Students for Free Tibet. I can genuinely say that working for SFT was one of the greatest experiences of my life. The time I spent working with the 8 bright activists in the office really helped me understand what it means to be a Tibetan and a part of a generation that will help shape the future. Although I myself never knew Free Tibet, they all instilled in me great pride for my background. With their teachings and support, I now fully believe that Tibetan freedom is inevitable.
I was there 2 days a week, and I pretty much helped support different staff in the office, mainly the grassroots coordinator and also the development director at the time. One of the things I got to work on was helping prepare a grant application to set up the SFT India office. So that was really interesting and fun to be a part of. And something that I got out of this experience was just, I think the most significant thing was a better understanding of how the operations and how the office runs on a day-to-day basis. And afterwards I actually decided to go back and I became regional coordinator for my last year of college. And then after finishing school I eventually joined the board of directors. So it was definitely a great experience.
Hi, my name is Tenzin Samchuk, and my mom has been bugging me to get involved with the Tibetan movement, so I decided to step up and started interning at SFT, and I'm really glad I did. I've been learning about what's happening inside Tibet, and I've been directly working on programs and campaigns that SFT is doing right now. Being SFT has been really challenging, and I would recommend to all of my friends to intern at SFT.
I learned a lot about the Free Tibet movement, happenings in Tibet and China, a lot about political science, human rights, activism. My favorite part about working at SFT was the people. It's just such a fun and welcoming and exciting office to be in.
The first time that I interned with SFT, I was in high school, and it was my first introduction to activism and my first real introduction to what the Tibet movement is really about. And it was really inspiring for me to see so many Tibetans working in the office and to really learn about what it means to be a good and skilled and strategic Tibetan leader.
Interning at SFT was different than any other internship I've ever done. It was something that challenged me more, pushed me harder, and made me really think about why I wanted to do this type of work. It was also one of the most fun, most incredible experiences that I've ever had. Working with the people at Students for Free Tibet when I was in college really just changed my perspective of what an organization could do and what you could do as an individual, as one person contributing to this greater cause. The minds here, the strategic planning and the campaigns and all the things that Students for Free Tibet does just really affirmed for me that this was the leading organization in the Free Tibet movement, and that the things we do here really make a difference. And so if you want to be a part of something that truly works to make a difference in this world, then you should consider working at SFT. I am now the operations manager here, and it's just been incredible to be a part of the staff here full-time after my internship experience.
Now that you've heard all these different experiences and you're excited to join, don't forget to go on the website and apply today before all of the seats are taken.